Hello po mga kababayan, mga kalingap, kabisnes kapapi, ka-Team Daddy Frankie at kay Tatay Dekram. Magandang buhay po, Analisa Reality Vlog. Muli nagbabalik. So bago ang lahat, maraming salamat pong muli to my new subscribers, silent viewers, commenters, mga naglalike, nagsishare, mga hindi po nag-skip ng ads. Salamat po sa suporta ninyo and God bless po. So ito ngayon, meron lang akong i-share sa inyo. Napanood ko po yung isang vlog nila the Leia and Blair vlog. Sila po yung mag-asawa, kababayan natin si Leia, Pilipina siya, nakapangasawa ng foreigner, at siguro pamilyar kayo doon sa tumutulong ho sila doon sa mga naghahanap ng kanilang mga magulang ama, particularly po yung mga foreigner, no. Itong last na napanood ko sa Zambales, ito si Kuya Michael, since birth, ngayon po 48 na siya. Nung time na na-vlog is 47. Hindi niya nakita yung kanyang tatay na isang US Navy at doon niya ito sa Zambales. So, naipanganak siya. Ayon sa kanya, nagkaroon nga ng relasyon yung nanay niya at saka yung tatay niya. So, merong isang kababayan doon sa Zambales na kilala ito si Michael. Siya po yung anak ng foreigner na nakapangasawa din itong isang kababayan natin nasa ibang bansa din at lumapit dito sa channel nila Leia at saka ni Blair na kung pwede tulungan nga itong si Michael na mahanap yung kanyang ama. So, praise God dahil natulungan nga po. So, nagkausap na po itong si Michael at saka yung tatay niya na trace po through ang unang na-reach out nila Leia ay yung auntie muna. So, nagpa-DNA test sila. Ang galing nila kasi meron silang prosesong ginagawa. Hindi ko alam kung paano yun, basta meron silang DNA kit, siguro kinuhaan si Michael, ipinadala sa Amerika or hindi ko alam kung ano proseso, basta nung dumating po yung DNA na yun, positive po na magkamag-anak sila Michael at saka yung tita. Then tapos yung tita sinabi na din doon sa kanyang kapatid at ayun, in short, napatunayan na yun nga yung tatay, magkamukha nga sila eh. At saka nung time na nag-video call na sila, sabi nung foreigner, yung tatay, kita yung anak niya, talagang magkamukha nga, sabi, kumusta ka na? So marunong magtagalog yung foreigner. So kung bakit ko sinasabi ito, kasi nag-comment po ako doon, isa-share ko po yung thumbnail, para puntahan nyo rin po. Nag-comment ako doon na sana matulungan sila Edward at saka si Edwin, yung foreigner, yung Australiano na nandiyan kila Kalinga Prab ngayon, kila Ate Edna, kila Kuya Bal. Kasi di ba hinahanap yung kanilang tatay, hindi nila nakita since birth. So, kaya sabi ko, yun nga sana matulungan. At nag-comment po doon si Ma'am Leia, sabi niya, i-contact daw siya, ipa-contact. So, ito ngayon, i-attach ko po dito sa aking screen, yung comment po ni Ma'am Leia at saka yung comment ko. At the same time po, hinanap ko rin yung page nila na legit ho. I-attach ko na rin. At meron din silang ikinoment na contact number is something, sino ba yun? Lucas? Ano ba yun? Sana ba yun? Kasi mahirap sinerge ko yung mga pangalan. Ang daming kaparehas. Although meron pong contact number, so i-attach ko na lang po. Parang parang landline na contact number. So, pwedeng gawin nila Edward. At sinabi nila doon, wala silang hinihing bayad. Hindi sila walang sinisingil na bayad. Kasi may mga nagko-comment doon ang gagawin lang talaga nila, yun, syempre, ibablog ang proseso. So, hindi yun agad-agad masasagot. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung paraan na gagawin nila. So, prayer at saka tiyaga talaga kung hahanapin nila. Mahirap maghanap. Ito nga sa kay kababayan Michael sa Zambales. Hindi nga niya alam ang tunay na pangalan ng tatay niya. Kasi, tapos yung mga pictures daw, wala rin siyang palatandaan na hindi pa niya nakikita sa picture kasi nung nag-asawa uli yung nanay niya, yung kanyang stepfather daw, sinira lahat yung mga memories na yun. Yun lang nangyari. At dito sa Kambal, nandiyan pa yung nanay. So, pwede siyang makausap. So, yun, magre-reach out. Pero sila, Kuya Bal, shoutout kila Ate Edna, sila Kalinga Prab. Sana, mapanood nyo to at ilalagay ko naman dito yung mga source ko at saka yung contact number. Sana po ma-reach out ninyo para matulungan din yung sila Edwin at saka si Edward na malaman kung buhay pa ba yung tatay nila, kung nasaan ba talaga. So, marami kasi silang paraan para mahanap. Kaya pala, sabi ko, ang pangalan ng channel nila, the Leia and Blair Slug. Slug pala, hindi vlog, slug. Nagtataka ako, sabi ko, bakit slug? Di ba nakasanayan natin maririnig kundi vlog, di ba? Usually vlog or TV, gano'n. Sa kanila slug. Yung pala, tiningnan ko yung meaning ng slug. Ilalagay ko po dyan sa screen para malaman nyo din, makita ninyo. Additional vocabulary natin. Work hard over a period of time. Yun ang meaning ng slug pala. So, ibig sabihin talagang binubusisi nila. Meron silang target time, yung mga ganon. So, shoutout sa inyo, kabayan Leia. Kumuha na rin ho ako ng short clip. Para makita din ng ating mga kababayan yung time na nagkita na sila, kabayan Michael, yung auntie niya at saka yung papa niya. At pinoproseso po nila ngayon na excuse me. Ayun po, possible po aasikasuhin yung papeles ni Michael, baka kasama pa yung pamilya niya at meron na po siyang isang anak, lalaki, na makarating sila doon sa lugar ng kanyang tatay. Sabi nga niya, wala pa daw siyang passport. So, kukuha nga daw sila ng passport. So, yun ang aabangan kung kailan makakarating doon sa ibang bansa ito si Michael para makita yung father niya or kung yung father niya ang lumuwas papunta ng Pilipinas. So, yun lang yung sa akin. May share ko lang to sa inyo. No? Sana maging daan din ito. Makontak nila sila Ma'am Leia, nila Edward, tsaka ni Edwin, patulong sila para mahanap yung kanilang ama. Kasi kung hindi natin to gagawin, walang chance, diba? So, gumawa tayo kahit anong paraan para matulungan yung magkapatid na to, yung kambal na to. Para, ayun, makita nila. Kasi kung aasa lang sa kung sino yung magsasabi, kailangan talaga merong kumilos. Kaya shoutout sa inyo Edward at saka Edwin. Huwag kayong mag-alala dahil pag na-reach out nyo to sila, hindi sila maniningil, wala silang hihingin sa inyong bayad. Libre ang serbisyo nila. Basta yun lang, iba-vlog talaga kayo. Kasi alam naman natin pag na-vlog, syempre yun, kailangan din nila ng revenue para dun sa mga proseso na gagawin nila. Syempre, yung mga expenses, alam naman na natin yan. Yun lang ang, kumbaga, ano bang tawag dito? Tutulungan ka nila, tulungan mo din sila. Alam naman natin yung mga content creator tayo di ba? So, tulungan lang. So, ang importante doon, malaman natin, makita ng kambal kung nasaan ang tatay nila. Kung magkikita-kita sila personal. Diba? So, yun lang sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Panoorin nyo po sa last part. Andyan po yung moment na nagkita sila kabayan Michael at saka yung papa na Philippine Navy. Yan. So, maraming salamat. Muli ang shoutout po. Kalinga Prab, shoutout sa inyo. Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, Ate Edna Vlogs, Jack Tapia Matubang, mga Kalinga Pre-Actors na kasamahan ko, Karepa Reactors, Kalinga Partner, shoutout. Ka-Business Official, Papa Rins TV, Mrs. KB Official, Budang, ayan, yung famous Budang Official, si Bunso, at saka Ka-Business Family Channel po, support ko natin, mga kagwang, support din po natin, and Ka-Business Reactors, nakasamahan ko, support din po natin. At pagkatapos nito, magre-recording ako. Mayroon po akong sasagutin na isang comment po, hindi makamove on, doon po sa channel nila Intoy. Ano nga ba ang utang na loob? Hanggang kailan ba tayo magkakaroon ng utang na loob? Pasensya na po, sasagutin ko talaga yung isang nag-comment na yun. So hanggang dito na muna. Lahat po, lagi na riyan, mga silent viewers, hindi po muna ako magbibigay sa inyo ng individual shoutout kahit yung mga nasa comment section. Basta maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mag-ingat po palagi. To God be the glory.
When he sees his biological father for the very first time, Michael was so happy, saying, "We look alike," and Lynn, his wife, was overjoyed. That's your biological father.
Show it in the camera. Show me. Ilagay mo sa... Wow!
Lynn, are you shocked? They're shocked, guys, and here's another picture, just printed off, hot off the press 1 hour ago.
Hindi mo kaman bata.
Nakita ni Mama. Magkawig talaga.
Sa tatay ko.
How you feeling?
I'm nervous. I'm the one who's really nervous, like I'm shaking.
There never was a Chuck. This is your biological father, Dennis. He's waiting on the phone. We need to call him. It's very late in America. We're behind. You're about to speak to your biological father. Let's do this here on the Lear and Blair Slog.
Hi!
So this was it. Finally, Michael would be talking to his biological father, Dennis. This was getting exciting.
Yeah, so Blair is here.
Everything moves slower in the Philippines.
Yes.
Sorry, guys. Dogs, cats, roosters, crash cars, jeeps.
So, what's going on?
We're about to swing the camera around Dennis, and you're about to look at your carbon copy. Here we go.
All right.
Wow.
Kumusta ka, anak ko?
I'm fine. I'm so very happy that finally I've seen you. I've been
Well,
waiting this moment
I
a
was-
long time ago.
I was quite surprised when my sister got the notice that said I had a son in the Philippines. But I don't know how much you found out about me, but I was stationed over in Cuby Point. But before that, I was on the Kitty Hawk, and that's the date that coincide with your birth. I don't remember your mother. Well, I can't say. But anyway, it was definitely a surprise to find out I had a son over there, and I hope that we get to know each other and see where this goes. Michael, you look hot.
You look like your dad. I'm speechless. I can't speak.
Well,
I'm just nervous.
It's
and
okay.
happy. I'm just nervous
well,
and happy.
We're very-
I share the happiness with you. When my sister told me, I saw my face in you, so I had no doubt that you are my son, and it was verified.
I also
It was
see my
verified.
face in you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
That's
my
back about.
high school days, just like me.
I sent that to them after we talked earlier. I forwarded that picture. I said this looks a lot more like me when I was over there around the time you were conceived. Yes, I saw when I first saw your picture. I saw an image of me in it, so there was no doubt on my. And then Leah told me you're a collector and a junker, and that just sealed the deal because I'm quite the collector, and some people call it junk. I call it treasures. Well, I look forward to the day that we get to meet in person. I'm already trying to figure out a plan to come visit. But I have a grandson too, huh?
Yeah, Luigi.
What's his name?
Luigi Eman.
Luigi.
Luigi. That sounds like Italian pizza guy or something.
I like it.
Luigi. All right.
You know what, Michael? We're very happy about it too. We really are. Can't wait to meet you in person and give you a big old hug.
Thank you.
That's awesome, Deb. This is what this guy needs to hear, man.
Jesus
It
answered my prayer.
kind of chokes me up right now. I just want to hug you now.
He just said Jesus has answered his prayers. This guy's been praying for this moment.
You know, I certainly wish it would have been way sooner in our lives that this happened, but we had no idea, and DNA wasn't out there, and as soon as they got your DNA, we knew.
Ancestry DNA. Whoever donated that kit, what a story they've
Yes.
made.
Exactly.